do a follow-up on the requests that I've received on social media and Instagram about the hairstyles that I do. You can definitely look forward to seeing a tutorial about the space buns and the curly mohawk, so definitely stay tuned for that. It'll be on my channel. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to style your hair into a curly mohawk. I'm going to show you the products that I use, the materials, and the easiest way to get this done. Stay tuned. It's my beeswax cream. So I plan to have more footage for you guys, but we got rained out. It's Florida, it happens. Stay tuned for a tutorial that I've got coming up for Embrace the Curls. It's my beeswax cream. I'm gonna show the application and the results that you get when using this amazing product. Hey guys, it's Curl Hippie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be answering a few questions that I've received through Instagram and social media regarding the products that I use and how I style my hair. And I'm gonna be showing you one of my favorite products, which is Embrace the Curls. It's my beeswax cream. It's one of my favorite products to use. I'm going to show you my day-to-day routine on how I style my hair and how it looks after you diffuse it and the results that you get. So before I even start applying the product, I prefer to just divide your hair into sections so when you're applying it, you get more coverage on your hair. I don't have a mirror right now as I'm doing this, so I'm going to have some really weird looking buns, but it's perfectly fine. We're going to be alright. I usually start from the bottom up. So you just divide the hair, deal with the tangles and knots, because you know we all have tangles and knots. It's curly hair life. And just make a bun, that way the other hair doesn't get mixed up with the hair that you're going to apply the product to. And so maybe just about this much of hair is what should be left, where it's easy for your fingers to pass through. It's not a lot of hair. You're not going to miss any spots. It's very doable. So then we grab our product, maybe a quarter size, maybe a little more than a quarter, and you apply. You finger comb through your hair, make sure that you don't miss any spots from the very top to the very bottom. And then you take the next section. Take it out of your bun, take just a little bit of hair out, more or less the same amount, enough that you can pass your fingers through and it doesn't cause you any problems and you know that you're not going to miss anything. Make your crazy bun again, on to the next one. Footage for you, and I just want to thank you for